Today, we go big. What is up, my Breaking family? Sending some positive vibes in your direction. Breaking family, today is our last, and I mean final, our last huge Pokemon Rebel Clash opening. Breaking family, today we are going to be opening up over 100. That's a 1 with 2 zeros at the end, and an over before the 1. That's right, over 100 Pokemon Rebel Clash booster packs. This is our last huge attempt to pull every single card from the set. As you can see, 3 booster boxes worth of Rebel Clash. Today's video is sponsored by the TCG Breaker. Mario over at the TCG Breaker was nice enough to send us all 3 of these Rebel Clash booster boxes to try to help us with our final attempt of pulling every single card. Shiny Frostmoth, I'm talking to you. The TCG Breaker is a live Pokemon card opening channel. All the information is down in the video description down below, and I highly encourage you to go show Mario over at the TCG Breaker some Breaking family love. So thank you so much to the TCG Breaker for sponsoring today's video. And thank you to Marie for holding the camera. Are your arms tired?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot something.
What?
The Rebel Clash Pokemon card binder. In this Pokemon card binder, we are trying to fill it up with every single Rebel Clash card. And here's the thing, I can't buy them as singles off of eBay. I can't trade for them. I legit have to pull every single card. We are going to lay out all 108 booster packs on this counter.
Great.
And why, you ask? 1, because that would look awesome. And 2, because we need a thumbnail. Let the process begin. '106, 107, 108 Rebel Clash booster packs. Breaking family, let's go up to the temporary studio and open up all 108. I said 108. Marie, you gotta go ooh. Ooh. 108 Rebel Clash booster packs.
Ooh.
There you go. Welcome back to Mustache Watch 2020. I am your host, RealBreakingNate. Let's get an update on that mustache. Ooh, looking like I'm about to drink orange juice straight from the carton. Breaking family, this is no joke. We are about to open up all 108 of these Pokemon booster packs of the set Rebel Clash. This is our last huge final attempt to pull every single card from Rebel Clash before Darkness Ablaze gets released on August 14th. Now, technically, you will be able to buy the Build in Battle boxes on August 1st, so we'll start opening up Darkness Ablaze a lot earlier than August 14th. So let's go ahead and jump into all 108 of these, and if you think I'm going to do the card trick on every single one of these, you are crazy. Now, obviously, a few notable cards we are still looking for. Shiny Galarian Berserker, as well as Shiny Frostmoth, starting off with a Garbodor and our reverse holo right there. I am trying to pull one of every single card from the set. I do this every single time a new set gets released. I've been doing this since, I've been doing that kind of challenge since Hidden Fates was released. There we go, holo rare. So anytime a new set gets released, we always try to do that, where we try to pull one of every single card. Now, we can't buy them as singles off of eBay. We can't trade for them. No, we have to buy every single, or we have to open up every single one of them. Energy, I'll put that right back there. There is the code card right there. As you can see, this is going to go not super fast, but a little more fast than normal, since we do have 108 booster packs. There we go, Rillaboom VMAX, starting off our ultra rares. Energy, I'll put that right back there. There's the code card right there. Let me go ahead and sleeve up that Rillaboom VMAX. Whoop! Put it right up there in the VIP section, the very important Pokemon card section. Now, as you do see, I put the current values as of this recording in the bottom screen, or the bottom corner of the screen. Now, if we do pull a notable card, I will put the PSA 10 value as well for anybody that is interested in that. I got these all messed up over here. There we go. There we go. Energy, and I'll put that right there. This is what happens when we have 108 booster packs. There is madness, pure madness going on. Beware reverse holo and an Alcremie for our rare code card goodness. put that over there. Now, like I said, today's video is sponsored by the TCG Breaker. Mario over at the TCG Breaker is a good friend of mine and was nice enough to send over all 3 of these booster boxes for our final attempt, our final huge attempt, I should say, to get every card from Rebel Clash. So please make sure you go check out the TCG Breaker. All the information is down in the video description down below. The TCG Breaker is a live stream Pokemon, well, I don't even want to say Pokemon, a live stream card opening channel. Bolton V, how you doing? And the reason why I say live stream card and not just Pokemon cards is because they will actually be doing Yu-Gi-Oh! So if you're interested in Yu-Gi-Oh!, they'll be doing Pokemon as well as Yu-Gi-Oh!, which is coming soon to those live streams. And you can take part in those live stream openings. So it's a very interactive, hey, Toxtricity V, a very interactive live stream opening. So please make sure you go check out the TCG Breaker. All the information is down in the video description down below. So go over there and let Mario know that you are part of the Breaking family and show the TCG Breaker some Breaking family love. All right, I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. I got reverse hollows, I got rares every single place. Toxtricity V, let me go ahead and sleeve you up, put you right up there in the VIP section. Now, these are all mixed up. I don't have them in order of the booster boxes, like which packs come out of which booster box. I am just purely going through these booster packs and opening all of them up. There's the code card right there. I'm gonna have a lot of code cards to pick up, so I might not throw every single one of them. I don't wanna have to pick up 108 code cards. Here we go. We have a Copper Jaw V and an energy and a code card as I proceed to continue to throw everything. Copper Jaw V, let me go ahead and sleeve you up. Whoop. Put you right up there in the VIP section. Now, the studio is still being worked on. The original plan last week was to have it done by now, but the original furniture, I guess I should say the original furniture that I was planning on getting was out of stock and was not going to be able to get here until August 22nd. So I definitely couldn't wait that long, so a little bit of a hiccup. So we had to go a different route, but still sticking with the same vibe that I wanted. I recently got all of the stuff here today in the studio, so it is going to be revealed very, very, very soon. It is definitely something like you've never seen me do before. If I can speak properly, something like you've never seen me do before here on this channel when it comes to a background. It's gonna be a vibe. I don't want to spoil anything. I have this bad habit of spoiling things because I get too excited, so I'm going to keep my mouth shut this time around. Energy, which is hard for me to do, I'm going to be honest with you. Okay, going into the next booster pack, I got cards everywhere, Metacham, and a Spiritomb energy for the rare. There's the code card right there. At this point, I might not put all of the rares and the reverse hollows in a stack because it might be hard to keep up with all of these booster packs. I have no idea how far in we are so far. But we're making good time, honestly. Beware and a Phalanx V full art. That is a beautiful card. Look at the artwork on that card right there. Loving that. There's the code card right there. Let me go ahead and sleeve up that Phalanx V. Here we go. Ooh. Nice. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. No secret rares, no hyper rares. That's perfectly okay. I fully expect us to pull 1, maybe 2 during this Pokemon opening. There's the code card right there. As you notice, I do show the code cards in every single video. I don't want the code cards. I'd rather you have them. Breaking family, enjoy yourself a good code card or two. So if you enjoy code cards, you know you can always come over here to the channel, get yourself a code card, especially when Darkness Ablaze comes out. So make sure you have that notification bell icon turned on. I do upload 4 to 5 times every single week. I just love spending time with you and enjoying Pokemon. Just coming here, being ourselves, right, Breaking Family? If you're new here to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Become part of the Breaking Family, a positive community we have here where everybody is welcome and nobody is judged. Whether you are a longtime Pokemon fan, you're just getting into Pokemon, or maybe you don't even like Pokemon and you just like the positive vibes of this channel, you're more than welcome here. And I hope you have a good time. Like I said, everybody is welcome. We don't want any negativity. This channel is not about negativity. It's all about positivity. So leave your negativity over there. Bring nothing but positivity right here. Go into the comments. Read some comments. Oh, there we go. Sandaconda V. Read some comments and pay somebody a nice compliment. That would be nice, right? Let's get some positivity, spreading some positivity around. Let's do that. Sandaconda V, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Whoop. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ultra rares so far. We're not doing too bad, to be honest with you. Going into the next booster pack, we have ourselves a reverse holo phalanx and not that shiny Frostmoth. I have way too much going on here and my OCD is kicking in. If you could see the mess that is right here, it is absolutely crazy. We have a Dragapult and a Ludicolo. There's the code card right there. I'm kind of curious if we can get through all 108 of these booster packs in under 30 minutes. I feel like we can. There's the code card right there. I think my record for opening up a booster box is like 9 or 8 minutes. Oh, there we go. Hyper Rare Milo. How you doing? Welcome to the party. Yes, Hyper Rare goodness joining us for today's Pokemon opening. Let me go ahead and sleeve up that Hyper Rare Milo. Whoop. Do you remember that movie, Milo and Otis, about the dog and the cat that was just kind of like traveling around in like the woods and stuff? I don't really remember the premise of the movie, but I remember the movie itself. If you remember Milo and Otis, let me know in the comment section down below. It was an absolutely adorable, adorable movie. I think it was released in like the early 90s or late 80s. If you haven't seen it, go check out Milo and Otis. I haven't seen it in forever. Like literally, probably at least 15 years I haven't seen that movie, but I still remember it. I don't remember much that goes on in the movie, but I just remember the dog and the cat being absolutely adorable in that movie. Okay, going into the next booster pack. Hopefully somebody is keeping track because I am not, and I'm not even going to put these in stacks anymore because at this point, why? It's an absolute mess. There is 108 code cards in today's video. Now, don't forget, tomorrow is a brand new episode of Wasting Money on Pokemon Cards. If you've never seen an episode before, you're probably like, what do you mean? What do you mean wasting money on Pokemon Cards? Well, we go to the store and we buy nothing except for the third-party Pokemon card products because we are on a mission to pull something amazing from third-party Pokemon card products. It's gonna happen one day, eventually. We always see like Charizards on the front of those mystery cubes and mystery power boxes and vintage packs that look really, really awesome, like the Neo stuff. And I feel like I never see that stuff get pulled, ever. So I'm on a mission to make it happen. It might happen, it might not ever happen, but I'm staying positive, and that will happen in tomorrow's video. Well, I don't know about pulling a Charizard, but we will be doing a new episode of wasting money on Pokemon cards tomorrow, and every single card that we open up in that video will be given away to you, one lucky Breaking Family member. So make sure you have your notification bell icon turned on for every single video so you do not miss that video and you don't miss your chance at picking up some of those cards. All right, there we go. More code card goodness. I think probably that Hyper Rare Milo might be my favorite, or the Rillaboom VMAX. One of those two. One of those two is my favorite so far. I actually cannot... Oh, there we go. Holo Rare Boss's Orders. I've actually not pulled a reverse holo of Boss's Orders, and this will be just going off of booster boxes. Not like random packs that I bought in the store, but just purely going off of booster boxes. This will be my... After this video, 9 booster boxes I will have opened up and not pulled a single reverse holo boss's orders, or a shiny Frostmoth, or a shiny Galarian Berserker for that matter. Dubwool, how you doing? Whoop! There we go. Trying to pull everything can be difficult. That's for sure. Okay, what do we have here? We have Malamar VMAX. Welcome to the party. There's everything else. Let me go ahead and sleeve up Malamar VMAX. Whoop! Right up there in the VIP section. We are currently at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ultra rares. I think we're doing pretty good, honestly. I feel like we are a little over a quarter of the way through all of those booster packs. There's the code card right there. Going into the next one. Like I said, I'm trying to make this happen in under 30 minutes. Sonia, hyper rare Sonia. Nice. We got 2 hyper rare Pokemon trainers in this Pokemon opening. Look at that card. Loving the artwork. 2 hyper rare trainers. You can't complain about that, can you? No. I mean, you can't complain when you get to open up Pokemon cards in general, right? There really shouldn't be any complaints, even if it's Steam Siege. Let's be honest. Getting to open up Pokemon cards in general is a good and a fun time because every single card delivers something unique, whether it be when it comes to collecting or when it comes to competitive play or just playing for fun. We have another ultra rare. I'll take it. We've pulled multiple of those, but not going to complain about that at all. Whoop. Oh, I love that. That's my favorite pull so far, right there. There we go. Okay, going into the next one, and then I got to get some water. I got to stay hydrated. Oh, Grimmsnarl. Loving the artwork on that holo rare Grimmsnarl, and there is another code card for you all. All right, let's get back to business. I have no idea where we are at number-wise when it comes to opening Pokemon packs. But like I said, it looks like we are... I'm not going to pick them all up. It looks like we're probably at least halfway through by now. At least halfway through. Okay, what do we have here? Stunky and an Appleton. I really want to show you the studio. I'm so excited about this. Okay, calm down. Don't spoil anything. You have a habit of spoiling things, Nate. Let's try not to do that. If you do want to follow me on my social media, there is links to all my social media down in the video description down below. Hey, Sandaconda V! I actually have not pulled one of those, so I am actually really excited about that. I love the green in the background. Very nice. There's the code card right there. I have no idea what I was just saying. I've lost track of everything. I've lost all control. Here we go. Right up there. I literally have no idea what I was just saying before I pulled that. Maybe I'll remember. I don't know. I don't know at this point. Galarian Berserker. It's not a shiny, but that's okay. Code card right there. Going into the next one, we have ourselves a Alcremie. Maybe one day. One day we might pull that shiny, but not today. Oh, or today. Oh, possibly today. Oh, I remember what I was saying now. All the links to my social media is down in the video description down below. So if you want to see what I'm doing between uploads, you want to see what's going on in my personal life, things that I'm doing. I'm very open about things that that are going on in my life. Such as dealing with anxiety. I've dealt with that my entire life, and it still gets to me to this day, this very moment. So I'm very open about all of that stuff. So. I talk about it here on the channel. I talk about it on social media. So, yeah, go follow me there if you want to, or not. I don't care. No big deal. It's fine. No pressure. Magmortar. I also like to post just kind of random, funny pictures of my collection, vintage stuff that I have. There we go. Hyper rare boss's orders. Welcome to the party. Finally, we have a hyper rare boss's orders. There's the code card right there. Woo! We got it, Breaking family. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let me grab a sleeve and sleeve it up. All of the hyper rares that we have pulled in today's Pokemon opening so far have been trainers, and that is absolutely crazy. I'm so glad we finally got hyper rare boss's orders. That is one that we needed. Inteleon VMAX 2 really awesome pulls back to back. There we go. Back to back. Woo! All right. We are doing good, Breaking Family. I look over and I feel like that stack of Pokemon packs is not getting any smaller. And the stack of commons and uncommons and rares is getting bigger and bigger by the moment. Was there not a code card in there? Okay, I guess there was not a code card in there. Okay, Double V, how you doing? That's really weird, unless it kind of fell out, but if it didn't, that's the first time I've ever opened up a booster pack where there's not been a code card. Okay, next up, we have Abomasnow and another code card. It might have fallen out. I don't know. Maybe it was that one or that one or that one. I have no idea at this point. I've lost all control, Breaking Family. Here we go. Going into the next one, we have ourselves a Milotic V, which I do love the artwork on this one. Very, very beautiful card. I love the colors. There is everything else and the code card right there. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve up that ultra rare. Whoop. Let's see how many we have gotten so far. Will we be able to do this entire Pokemon opening in under 30 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I was trying to sort them out in some sort of fashion. So 18 so far. Trying to sort these out so we can kind of keep track of everything that we have pulled so far. There we go. Full arts over there. And boom. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got some order going on right now. So we got hyper rares. We got full arts, we got regular art, ultra rares right there. Since we're not keeping track of our rares and our reverse hollows, Zamazenta, and our code card. I actually might be able to show you how many we have left now. Can we do it in under 30 minutes? Breaking Family, I don't know if it's going to happen. It might happen. It might not happen. Here is everything we have left. All those booster packs and another stack right over there. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Okay, which would be about, what, 30 minutes? Or 30, okay, so 30 minutes, 3 booster boxes, 10 booster, or 1 booster box for every 10 minutes. Math, oh, math is so hard. Butterfree, code card right there. Real Breaking Nate math, that's what it is. Going into the next one, we have Unpheasant, Not So Pleasant. We love you, Unpheasant, but not today. But not today. We can well, no, I take that back. We love you, Unpheasant, every day. We're just looking for those shinies, okay? Unpheasant, you're welcome to the party, but we're just really looking for those shinies. Hello! Have to do it every single time. There's the code card right there. It is an absolute huge mess right here. Breaking Family, I think I'm breaking a sweat from opening up Pokemon packs. My fingers, they're not working anymore. Arcanine and a code card. I feel like my voice is going out at this point. My fingers aren't working. Help! Send help! There's the code card. Okay, we have a Scizor and a code card right there. Whew, Breaking Family. This was a huge task. I honestly didn't think it was going to be this big of a task to open up 3 booster boxes in under 30 minutes, but I'm not going to lie. I didn't expect it to be this hard. Surskit and a code card right there. Going into the next one, we got this. Boss's Orders Reverse Hollow. Finally we got one. And a Hollow Rare Stone Journer. I'm going to set that Reverse Hollow Boss's Orders off to the side over there because I got to put it in the Pokemon card binder. Here we go. We have a Litwick and another code card. And make sure you don't take all the code cards, you know, take 1 or 2, maybe 3, especially since this is a bigger video, but don't take all of them. We gotta share. Sharing is caring. Next one, we have a Zacian. Okay. The name of the game at this point is to pull Shiny Frostmoth. Snorlax, we got those Kanto vibes going on. We love a good Kanto Pokemon in our life. We have Electrode and a Trevenant and the code card right there. I know some people have asked me, am I going to be opening up Legendary Heartbeat? Yes, I'll be opening that up as well, but not just the booster box. No, not just the booster box by itself, but there is something special that got released over in Japan regarding Legendary Heartbeat that I will be opening up on the channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Not to, we got Impidimp and Galarian Mr. Rhyme. We were pulling a lot of Ultra Rares, and we have seemed to just stop pulling Ultra Rares. And, oh, I thought maybe we were going to break our streak right there of not pulling Ultra Rares. Okay, so this right here, this is everything that we have left, unless there is something hiding under this mound of commons and uncommons and rares. Uh-oh, Breaking Family, I think I see something. Here we go. We have a Toxtricity V and another code card. I've lost my sleeves. Okay, here we go. Toxtricity V. Whoop. There we go. Okay. Going into the next one. If you missed yesterday's video, make sure you watch that. I'll put a link up at the very end of today's video, but both myself and Marie battled it out with more Pokemon card mystery power boxes. I lost last time. I lost last week, and I had to ask for a rematch because a lot of people in the comments were rubbing it in my face, and I didn't like that. So I had to ask for a rematch, so make sure you go and watch that. See if I won. See if we pulled a vintage Pokemon pack. We actually used the Pokemon card mystery bag and filled that up with Pokemon mystery boxes to randomly select which ones we were going to be opening up. Applin, we got Galarian Cursula, and a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 booster packs left. Come on. Come on, shiny Frostmoth. We're looking for you. Grimmsnarl, and a code card. 3 left. Uh-oh, Breaking Family. Are we going to go 9 booster boxes and not pull one of those shinies? Are you kidding me? There we go, code card. Oh no, Breaking Family, hit that like button. Give us some good luck. Give us some good luck in this last booster pack. Breaking Family, I think we've done this in under 30 minutes. Here we go. Last one. We'll do the card trick on the very last booster pack. What do we have? We have a Growlithe, Impidimp, Buttlebee, Phantom. We have Dreepy, Energy, Pelipper, Speed Energy, Metapod Pod, Grubbin, and, oh, code card. There's a code card right there. And a Grimmsnarl. Ah, you ruined the party, Grimmsnarl. Well, I actually found more booster packs under this huge mound of commons and uncommons and rares. So we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to open up. So Grimmsnarl, wherever you are in this mound, you did not ruin the party. We have more booster packs to open up. I knew there was more. I just knew it. All right, we have a Heracross and an Aegislash. There's the code card right there. Going into the next one, we have ourselves a Ninetales and a Galarian Surfetch'd. Farfetch'd being one of my favorite Pokemon. Not my most favorite. That goes to Psyduck at number 1 and Slowpoke at number 2. But Farfetch'd is number 3. Hey, there we go. Boss's orders. Not ultra rare, not hyper rare, but just a holo rare, which is good enough for me. There's the code card for that one. That means we still have a chance at that shiny Frostmoth. Can we do it, Breaking Family? Cramorant laughing at us because we have not pulled one yet. That's okay, Cramorant. We won't laugh at you. We're not rude like you are. Litwick, and oh, Phalanx V. How you doing, Phalanx V? We still love you. We still respect you. And I'm gonna, okay, there's my sleeves right there. I'm gonna sleeve you up, Phalanx. Here we go. Whoop. Put you right there. 2 booster packs left. Does one of those hold that shiny Frostmoth or even shiny Galarian Berserker at this point? We have Dubwool V full art. Welcome to the party. Code card right there. I think I hit the camera. Okay. Last one, unless I find more over here, which I'm pretty sure that is all. That is all at this point. Okay, last one. We have ourselves. Okay, we'll do the card trick on this one, since I think this is the last one. We'll find out here in a minute. Galarian Mr. Mime, Snover, Pidove. We got an Energy. Okay, I'll put that right there. And full heal. Going into, come on, Shiny Frostmoth. A Rillaboom, hey, Rillaboom V. But Rillaboom, you still ruined the party. And obviously, since we didn't pull either shinies, that means we do not have a complete set yet. Woo, that's it for today's Pokemon video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out these videos right over here. I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. I love every single one of you all around the world. Do it with me now. Peace, love, and a high five.